How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you improve Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. Alright, so from this profile section, you'll have to just tap on the setting icon which will appear at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like clear data. So simply tap on the option clear data. Alright, so from here, you'll have to just tap on the option clear cache. Okay, tap on clear. Alright, so after you clear the data of Snapchat, you'll have to just back from there, and from here you'll have to just open the App Store on your iPhone. So from here you'll have to just open the App Store, and from the search field you'll have to search for Snapchat. Alright, so after you find the application Snapchat on App Store, you'll have to just update with the latest version of Snapchat. So you'll have to just tap on that update option, and after you update the latest version of Snapchat, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to just open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings on your iPhone, you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and go the option apps. Okay, so from here you'll have to just find the application Snapchat. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from this section, make sure that you have grant this access to your camera for the Snapchat. So from here you'll have to just grant the access, and after you done it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section you'll have to just swipe up and go the options like general, and now from here tap on iPhone storage. Okay, so from the iPhone storage section you'll have to just scroll down, and again you'll have to find the application Snapchat. So simply tap on the Snapchat. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just tap on the upload app option, and after you tap on that, you'll be able to upload the app on your Snapchat. So after that, you'll have to just reinstall your Snapchat app, and after you complete all of the procedure on your Snapchat, you'll be able to improve your camera quality on Snapchat. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.